Okay, so hello everyone. So today I don't have a face intro, but we are gonna continue to work on the triple color split. Again, I'm using a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I'm gonna show you the colors before we begin. So I am using this pink as a base. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, so this pink is, let's see, Persian Rose by Amsterdam. All right, so this is this pink. The next color I'm using is this beautiful, take a look at this. I love this color. And I'm gonna tell you what I did with this one. This is Turquoise Green by Amsterdam. And what I did with this one was I did go in and I did add a lot of a few drops, I would say about 12 drops of the Oxide Black by Amsterdam to get it to this like smoky turquoise green. So that's that one. And my last color, look how rich and beautiful is this. And I'm going to tell you what this is. So this color was Quinacridone Crimson by Holbein. And I mixed in Permanent Mater Lake by Amsterdam. So these two colors together, and I created this beautiful color. Okay, so that is what I did. So I'm gonna go ahead, flood the canvas, and we're gonna go ahead and begin. Okay, so let's begin. I'm gonna do it a little different here. Let's try this. From this corner to this corner, like that. Okay. I mixed these colors a couple of days ago, so they've been sitting here, so I don't have a lot of bubbles. Okay. Thank goodness we don't have a lot of bubbles here. So I'm using the palette knife to just quickly spread it out, or my stir stick, not palette knife, but stir stick. Okay. So that looks perfect. All right. We're going to go ahead to the next color. So next we have the turquoise green. And for this one, I would say we're going to go this way. Okay. That's enough. Perfect. I think that's enough. And then last is the rose. So we're gonna put that away. And now So those are my colors. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spread this out. Okay, perfect. So now we're going to begin with the colors. I am using Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics. I haven't used this in a while. And I'm sorry about me shaking the bottles. I didn't shake them prior to. So yeah, I need to shake these bottles. Next, I'm using Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. Next is Iridescent Violet Blue by Pebeo. So Violet Blue by Pebeo. I like the colors already. Now I have Light Rose by Amsterdam. Next I have Pearlized White by Master's Touch. And last I have Pearl Glacier Blue by Arteza. So those are my colors. So we're gonna go ahead and torch out these air bubbles. I love the colors, how they look already. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and begin. Okay. That one I love how it looks. I love the cells. Wait till you see this. I do want to blow in here and in here, but let's take a look and see. I won't reach this because I'm in view. I'll come around the other side. I'll get this piece here. Okay. And I guess this piece I can actually, yep, that works. Beautiful. I'm happy with that. Now I'll just bring it down. Okay, that worked perfectly. I am bringing this back in as well. There. Perfect. Okay, now I'm happy with that. Now let me do the same thing over here. Perfect. Okay, now I'm happy. This is beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead, clean my edges, and I'll be right back to show you. Okay, everyone, so here she is. Look how gorgeous it is. And I think all this cellular reaction has to be that white, the pearlized white by Master's Touch. But look how gorgeous. Love how intricate, how cellular, cells all over the place. Is an explosion. Some webbing created right in here at the center. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous pearlized white border here. Hold on. Let me pull the camera a little back. I'm sorry about that glare, but you can see it right there on the border. Beautiful. Check this out. Look at that petal underneath on the back bottom here. Gorgeous. Look at that webbing. It looks like if you did kind of a swipe technique, but I didn't. That's the pearlized white. Love the streak or the border of that permanent lake and quinacridone crimson combination there. And let's go up to the third petal. And again, check this out. Beautiful. You see the blanketing of this shimmer? Look throughout. It's gorgeous. Let me try turning on. Okay, here's my flash. We'll see. Take a look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely a beautiful piece. I'm happy with it. Tell me what you guys think. Do you like it? Leave a comment. What do you think about the color base? The triple color base here. I think these colors work. It looks gorgeous. Love it. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.